Check the mic and make sure it sound right, boys.
Motorsports here, just giving you an update from the main pit of Race to Midnight at Texana Ranch. Ken and Donnie just came through in the 187 car, 4400 car. They did lose the belt on the power steering, but they found it on the trail, so they have an extra for that. We put a new one on it. It needed their fire extinguisher, was super loose. We did that. They're drinking fuel, so they needed 12 gallons. And just rags and water and stuff like that. But overall, the car looked good. Everything's intact, and they took off again. They did bring me a souvenir. They may have taken down a tree, I'm assuming. So looking forward to hearing that story. All right, we'll check back in later. everyone, here's my second update. So we thought that they were going to come into remote pit 2 to refuel. We were all ready. Tommy here, he's got his big old light and everything, but they didn't. They were able to just pass on by, so that was excellent, and let us know that they were coming into main pit. They needed help with obviously refueling, but then also something about the fire extinguisher again, which ended up being gone. So we might need to look at that for the next races and how to secure it. But so they came in, they took 18 gallons, and they were on their way. So the cutoff, it is a 5-lap race. They are on lap 4. The cutoff to go back out again is 10:45. So we'll see if they can really push it. Maybe they can get back out. If they can't, I think that's okay, because they're pretty much in line with everybody. So we'll see how it all turns out. Thanks for watching. Is it Ken and Johnny coming around this corner right now? It is.
Definitely.